YouTube, you're saying this for free, but you really don't deserve to. Period. 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 Alright, y'all, so let's get into this get ready with me. By the way, this is more of a get ready with me than a tutorial, so just watch me work. I'm starting off with my foundation done. If you want to see a detailed foundation tutorial, click the icon above. So I'm using the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette for this whole look. And I started with primed eyes before sweeping ginger and edges through my crease to create a nice transition. Then I'm going in with credit to deepen that crease. I'm building my crease up to prepare for that black that'll come after this. After credit, the dark brown color is blended into my crease. I'm going to go in with a regular matte black shadow into my crease and blend to my liking. For my lid, I'm going to start with patting Shookington and then adding Lituation to further mute that purple that we had with Shookington. I wanted this color to match my outfit, so adding Lituation on top of Shookington was perfect. After the shadow's done, I'm going to tightline, waterline, and do all that before I add my mascara and my lashes. Lastly, for my lips, I'm going to add a brown liquid lipstick and add a few different pinks, which everything will be listed in the description box below. And I'm just going to do a lip cocktail to get my desired color.
Notice your pain. My pain runs deep. Share it with me.
And then I'm adding a couple of different glosses as well to finish the look. Add my finishing spray and voila. So let's get into this outfit. This dress is from Shein. I love like the tuxedo-esque cutout balloon sleeve-ness of it all. Like, and I love the color. Like, this dress was perfect. I got so many compliments on this dress and I love it. And I'm wearing it with those black chunky heels that I showed in my collective fall haul. And you guys know how I do with jewelry. I'm very minimalistic, love a little flair. So yeah. Now you're gonna join me as I take my best friend out for her birthday. Let's go. Oh! Uh-oh, wait. Happy birthday!
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. Look at her. Whoa. YouTube, you're saying this for free, but you really don't deserve to, period. Period.
It's done.
Period, poo. Period, poo. I mean, you wish. Oh, you feeling fancy? Okay. I'm being a party pooper. I'm tired. Ready to go.